Today start a new reaction, chemical reaction of aldehydes and ketone. Look here everybody, okay, in this lecture, a addition reactions, aldehydes and ketone here. You know first here addition reaction. First addition reaction. Addition reaction. You know addition reaction, there are two types of addition reaction, nucleophilic substitution reaction or everybody here a electrophilic, electrophilic addition reaction. You know everybody a aldehyde and ketones are undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction, no substitution reactions. Okay? Look here, a first point, here simple A, okay, first point, addition of HCN. Addition of a hydrogen cyanide. Addition of hydrogen cyanide. Look here, in case of aldehydes and ketones here, undergoes nucleophilic addition reaction. Undergoes a nucleophilic addition reaction. Look here, name of the compound, this is the aldehyde RCOH here, correct? Like this, name of the compound aldehyde. Name of the compound aldehyde, okay? Addition with HCN. Addition with HCN, correct? Addition with HCN. Look here, HCN adds in aldehyde, like this. Okay, this is a pi bond or migrate to the carbonyl oxygen. Oxygen acquire partially negative charge and carbon acquire partially positive charge. Look here, carbonyl carbon is electron deficient carbon. Carbonyl carbon is an electron deficient carbon. In case of HCN, okay, H is a partially positive charge, Cn is a partially negative charge. Reaction is a addition, okay, reaction is a nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction. Here H, like this, okay, here attack and Cn minus are attacked to the a deficient carbon atom. Product here, simple product like this R, correct? 1 minute. Look here, compound here R, next C, next OH, next Cn, next H. What is this addition product here? What is this addition product? It's addition, nucleophilic addition reaction, which is nucleophilic addition reaction. Name of the compound here, it gives corresponding, aldehyde cyanohydrin. Cyanohydrin. Aldehyde cyanohydrin. Look here, FAN HCN. FAN HCN adds on aldehyde. FAN HCN adds on aldehyde. It gives corresponding aldehyde cyanohydrin. It gives corresponding aldehyde cyanohydrin. Reaction is nucleophilic addition reaction. Reaction is nucleophilic addition reaction. Correct? Yes. Look here, next point I'll ask you. Okay, simple point. Next, what is the action of hydrogen cyanide or formonitride? Correct. Okay, on acetaldehyde here. On acetaldehyde. CS3, CO, next H. Correct? Name of the compound acetaldehyde. Name of the compound acetaldehyde. Correct? FAN HCN adds on acetaldehyde. It gives, product is addition product. Addition product here like the CS3. H adds, okay, attached to the carbonyl oxygen means COH. Next Cn. Next H. Look here, name of the compound here, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Correct? Look here, Fein HCN adds on acetaldehyde. Fein, a HCN, okay, hydrogen cyanide, formonitrile, okay, adds on acetaldehyde. It gives the addition product. Name of the compound acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Correct? Acetaldehyde here, okay, cyanohydrin. You know, repeat. Fein HCN adds on acetaldehyde. Fein hydrogen cyanide adds on acetaldehyde. It gives acetaldehyde cyanohydrin. Correct? Yes. Look here. Next, what is the action of HCN? Next, what is the action of HCN on acetone? Okay, on acetone. Look here, acetone here, like this, acetone, propanone compound. CH3CO. Next, okay, here acetone CH3. Name of the compound here, acetone. Yes, acetone. IUPAC name of this compound, propanone ONE. Correct? Yes. H everybody. Yes. H attack carbonyl oxygen. CN attack carbonyl carbon. Carbonyl carbon, like this. Okay. Okay, CN attack carbonyl carbon. Why? Carbonyl carbon is a electron deficient. Okay? You know compound. Next, like this. CH3, CH3, C, OH, next, CH3, next, CN group. Okay? Name of the compound here. Acetone. You know, acetone cyanohydrin. Acetone cyanohydrin. Correct? Yes. Look here. Repeat all of you. A simple question. What is the action of formonitrile? What is the action of hydrogen cyanide on acetone? When HCN adds on acetone, it gives acetone cyanohydrin. The reaction is a nucleophilic addition reaction. Okay, due to, what is it? This is the electromeric effect. Due to electromeric effect. Electromeric effect. Okay, this part studied everybody. Okay, last year, 11th standard, chapter number 14. Chapter number 14. Okay, yes. Look here, the next, you know, this is the, in this reaction, everybody, in order of, you know, in this reaction order, okay, here, HCOH, formaldehyde is greater than acetaldehyde, CH3COH, okay, greater than aldehyde, okay, greater than ketone, greater than ketone. You know, first formaldehyde greater than acetaldehyde, okay, next greater than ketone. The reactive, in this reaction, order of reactivity of this compound, formaldehyde greater than acetaldehyde greater than aldehydes greater than ketones, means acetones here. Acetone, okay? Yes. You know, a second reaction, you know, second addition of NaHSO3. Second reaction, addition of, you know, addition of sodium bisulfide NaHSO3. Name of the compound, sodium bisulfite. Sodium bisulfite. Okay, sulfite. Correct? Everybody here, a sodium by a sulfite. Okay, everybody here also same. Correct? Sulfite. You know, FIT or PHIT here. Addition of sodium bisulfite. Addition of here a sodium bisulfite. Reaction is nucleophilic addition reaction. This is reaction also everybody here. A nucleophilic addition reaction. Nucleophilic addition reaction. You know, a first in reaction is a, everybody here, aldehyde. Simple example, aldehyde. Like this. Okay, RCOH. Name of the compound here, aldehyde. Name of the compound, aldehyde. Plus HCN. Plus sodium bisulfite. NaHSO3. Correct? Yes. You know addition. You know a nucleophile HSO3 minus or SO3 minus minus. HSO3 minus SO3 minus minus. Okay, also nucleophile here. Look here, reaction RC. Simple. Okay, hydrogen. Remaining part like this. Okay, SO3H attach carbonyl carbon. You know here OH. Next compound, all of you next. SO3Na. Next is the H. Correct. Look here, a name of the compound here, aldehyde sodium bisulfite. Aldehyde sodium bisulfite. Addition product. Sodium bisulfite addition product here. Okay, here. You know here sulfite also. Okay, both sulfite, PHI and EFI both are same here. Okay, both are correct here. Both are correct. Look here, everybody. A new syllabus. Okay, spelling also change here. You know, look here, phenaldehyde or phen sodium bisulfite adds on aldehyde. Phen sodium bisulfite adds on aldehyde. It gives corresponding aldehyde sodium bisulfite addition product or bisulfite adduct. Bisulfite adduct or addition product here. Look here, repeat. Phen sodium bisulfite adds on aldehyde. It gives a corresponding aldehyde sodium bisulfite addition product here. Look here, this reaction is nucleophilic addition reaction. This reaction, nucleophilic addition reaction, due to electromeric effect. Okay? Yes. Look here, next. Next question, everybody. Next question. What is the action of? You know, look here, what is the action of a sodium bisulfite adds on acetaldehyde? CS3, COH, name of the compound acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde. IUPAC, name of this compound ethanol. IUPAC, ethanol. Phen sodium bisulfite adds on acetaldehyde. Phen sodium bisulfite adds on acetaldehyde. In this reaction here, look here, CS3, COH, SO3Na, next H. Name of the compound here, like this, acetaldehyde. Acetaldehyde sodium bisulfite adduct. Sodium bisulfite adduct. Adduct means addition product. Repeat here. Phen NaHSO3 adds on acetaldehyde. Compound name of the IUPAC, name of the compound ethanol. Okay, it gives acetaldehyde sodium bisulfite adduct or addition product. Look here, this reaction is nucleophilic addition reaction. This reaction is a nucleophilic addition reaction. Look here, all of you, next reaction. Next question. What is the action of? You know, what is the action of sodium bisulfite on acetone, like this compound CS3, CS3, acetone. Correct? Acetone. IUPAC, name of this compound propanone. IUPAC, propanone, ONE. Correct? Yes. Look here, sodium bisulfite adds on acetone or propanone. It gives a addition product here. It gives addition product. You know here CS3. Correct. Next. COH. Next CS3. Okay, next SO3Na means acetone. Acetone sodium bisulfite addition product. Acetone sodium bisulfite addition product. Repeat here. When sodium bisulfite adds on acetone, okay, it gives a acetone sodium bisulfite addition product. Everybody, the reaction is nucleophilic addition reaction. Reaction is nucleophilic addition reaction here. Okay. Everybody, this reaction used for a purification, separation. Okay. From a organic compounds. Aldehyde ketones are separated from organic compound. Most important use in this reaction, sodium bisulfite. Sodium bisulfite. Okay. Look here, a first reaction, everybody. A first reaction, addition of a hydrogen cyanide, and second, addition of sodium bisulfite. Okay, stop here.